H1B or green card? Which one actually protects you in 2026? I've been getting this question every single week, and honestly, the answer is not what most people expect. What is the actual difference in terms of protection between the two? On H1B, you're tied to employer, you're tied to your status, and you're tied to a travel. In green card, you're independent, you're permanent, and you don't have any employer dependence. On H1B, your entire life in America depends on three things: your employer, your status, and your visa stamp. Lose your job and you have only 60 days to find a new one or leave the country. You want to travel to India or your home country, you need a valid stamp or you cannot come back. On the other hand, on green card, it's none of that. You can change job freely, travel without visa anxiety, and you can stay in America permanent. Currently, if you're in America on H1B visa, you are actually on the most riskiest visa compared to the other working visa. And there are three reasons for that. First, social media vetting. Your visa can now be delayed or denied based on what you posted online. A green card holder doesn't do that, right? Doesn't go through consular stamping. So that risk doesn't exist for them. Number two, stamping appointments back to 2027. That's a year from now. An H1B holder cannot freely travel home. Green card holder travels without passport, no stamping, no appointment, and no risk. Number three, the 100,000 fee on new H1B petitions. If your company ever needs to refile, the cost is sitting over your head. In green card holder scenario, it's completely unaffected. So if green card is so beneficial, why don't everybody go for green card? Not easy at all. Because for Indian nationals, the green card backlog is not years, it is decades. Some estimates put the current wait for Indians in EB2 or EB3 employment category at 50 or 80 years. Yes, it's not a typo, it's decades, which means most Indians in America will retire or leave before their green card priority date is ever reached under the current system. So you're stuck in a situation where H1B is more vulnerable than ever before. And the path to something safer is effectively blocked for most of the people. That is the real immigration crisis that nobody in the head office in Washington is talking about. So what is that most H1B holders should do right now? Number one, if your employer has filed your I-140 green card petition, protect it at all costs. Do not change the employers without understanding what happens to your priority date. Number two, if your I-140 is not filed yet, ask your employer to do it, because every day you delay is a day further back in the queue that already stretches to decades. Number three, if you are on H1B and your employer is not sponsoring your green card, start having that conversations now. Because in 2026, many people will feel bad, but H1B alone is not a long-term plan. H1B was always meant to be the bridge, not the destination. The problem is the bridge is getting longer and shakier, and the destination keeps moving further. Share this with every H1B holder you know, because understanding this is the first step to actually doing something about it.